Hi, this is a Dandon Travels review of Casa Mojitoville in Isla Mujeres, Mexico. Came here with my husband Brandon and our friend Patrick. I'm going to give you a tour of this home. There's an upstairs, which I'll show you in a bit. That's where you're going to spend a lot of your time. But first, let's go inside. You walk into a very spacious living room. It's got a couple nice couches. Great for cooling off, staring at your devices while not talking to other people. And then over to the right, we have our kitchen, which we did not use for cooking, but we did store all the snacks we bought at Chedraui, which is the big supermarket. And hey, check out that bottled water dispenser. Super convenient. You come upstairs, you've got the primary bedroom with a nice king bed, a fan, AC, and an ensuite bathroom. The bathroom is indeed a bathroom. It's nice. Over into the hallway, we have our second bathroom, which is indeed also a bathroom. And the second bedroom has a queen bed and its own fan and AC. Both of the beds were very cozy, a bit firm, but that's okay. We slept great. On to the upstairs. This is where you're going to spend the majority of your time on this trip. The steps are lit up at night, which is nice. And oh hey, there's a third bathroom. This bathroom's great, so you don't have to go downstairs. And look, it's under the beautiful palapa. And then around the corner, we have my beautiful husband, Brandon, and the gorgeous deck and pool. Pool's like 4 feet deep on the right and about a foot deep on this end. It's really nice just for chilling, relaxing, taking a dip. And this upstairs area, it's got plenty of shade, plenty of sun. If you're like our Irish friend Patrick, who burns to a crisp in the Mexican sun, he loves being in the shade. Always a nice breeze, never any bugs. We spent so many hours here, and it was lovely. Also, this beautiful cat is going to bless you with her presence all day, every day. The house is right in the middle of the island. Pretty much easy access to everything. Oscar's Grill is a 5-minute walk for when you're in Mexico and you would like some pizza. But to be fair, we really enjoyed it a lot. We do recommend getting a golf cart. Makes easy access to Centro or Punta Sur or all the delicious restaurants. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.